Camera, get right. Dang, cause I ain't used you in a minute. You act a fool. Here we go. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Marquisha Dion, and I'm back with a new video, y'all. It has been a minute, and yes, that's a newborn in the background. Girl, don't mind my braids, y'all. I had a wig on, I took it off, and now I'm about to try to get my hair together. That's what this video gonna be mostly about, me doing my hair. Like I was saying, today is August 15th. So yeah, I had a baby July 29th. My actual due date was August 16th. Let me start taking my hair down. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, I did take my hair down, but I am tired. Y'all see my hair? Let me cut the light on. Ooh, not the light being that ghetto. Ooh. Y'all see my hair? I took my hair down. That light made me look so ugly. But as y'all can see, I did take my hair down, and I'm tired. I don't even feel like combing it out. So what I'm gonna do is, it's so oily and shiny. Look at it. If your braids not shining like this when you take your hair down, find you a new stylist, boo. Just find you one. Yeah, I am tired. I'm about to take me a nap. Me and my little doodle head. So if I don't see y'all today, I'll see y'all tomorrow. So y'all, peace. What's up, y'all? It's a new day, and I look a mess. But let's get right to this video. Look at my hair. Matted, because I slept on it. Get to it. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this or where I'm gonna set this camera up at, because I don't know. Y'all in my medicine cabinet, but as y'all know, I'm doing honey blonde thumbnail. This is honey blonde, light golden light golden blonde going in the back, and then I'm doing the jet black in front. My hair is normally like a, y'all can kind of see it's like a brown, and I don't like it, so jet black it is. And I haven't really colored my hair black because I was pregnant, so it's time to get back to it. As y'all can see, I am doing, I put a cap on the back, cap in the front. I did the black off camera. I'll be back. And I can see the black got black. No question asked. Yeah, but I wasted alcohol in my eye. Oh, it looks swollen. It looks swole. I don't know how it's looking. I'm gonna bring the rest of my hair out. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at my hands. God. rinse it and then explain to y'all why my ends, the back of my ends didn't turn blonde. Because like I said, I normally dye my hair black every time my hair grows out, but I didn't because I was pregnant, so I ain't did it in 9 months, so it grew out. But let me rinse my hair out and I'll be back. As y'all can see, my hair is all rinsed out and clean, but like I was saying, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but the ends of my hair is still like black. It's okay, it's all good. I still love my color. It's still cute. It's still giving what it's supposed to give. It is what it is. Now I'm going to use some of the ORS leave-in conditioner. This might even be too much. I'm not going to use that much because I'm going to do a silk press on my hair. And I don't want it to be heavy. Ooh, I'm going to blow dry my hair and I'll be back, y'all. As y'all can see, I am all washed and blow dried. Nothing stiff. Look at that. I used Biosilk to blow dry my hair, and I used the Fantasia heat protector. But yep, I used both of them on my hair. Now I'm going to flat iron my hair. So I'm using my Biosilk titanium flat iron. I'm gonna apply some more of the Biosilk to my head. As y'all can see, I come in here into like a bob because your girl. Look at the shine in this hair. No, it's not stiff. The blonde. I don't know if I like my haircut yet, but this is the end of the video. Sorry I didn't show y'all how I flat iron my hair. Oh, I cut them layers. Bomb. Look, you can see the blonde. My hair is so soft and it moves still. Let me go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so you can know when the next time I'm posting. My baby, y'all, he's so spoiled. Look at him. Hi, Prince. Hi. Hey, Toot. Hey. Yeah, he's so sleepy. He's fighting with sleep, and I gotta do his sister hair. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you can know when the next time I post it. Recording videos is new to me. It's new to me. Don't kill me in the comments talking about this video was like this or it was like that. I will get better. Trust the process. Believe in the process. But thanks for watching, y'all.